Good afternoon, students. Today we have to read this chapter, lesson number 7, The Chain of Smiles. Yesterday we have done new words of this chapter. So today we have to read this chapter. See, these faces are given, and now you have to see which face you like, smiley, or you want to sad, or all these. Fine. So let's read this chapter. One day, Miss Alice gave the students of class 2 some homework. They would be happiness collectors. See, teacher has given some homework to students, as I also give you some homework na, kind of activities or related to academics or anything. So whatever homework teachers give to students, that the purpose of giving that assignment or homework to students is learning. So this is also related to that only. Fine. They had to see what would happen when they made people happy. So this is the most difficult thing these days na, to be happy. So if you are happy, you are the richest person in the world. So how to be happy? So we should always feel happy, we should always feel contented, and we always try to make others also happy. Do not trouble others. If you will spread happiness, you will get happiness. Okay. All the students worked very hard, but Carla did something quite unique. Unique means something different. Everyone has done the project assignment what the teacher has given. She came to class carrying a big sack, but Carla, one student was there. She has done the assignment in a very unique way. What is this, Carla? Asked Miss Alice. Here in this bag, I have all the happiness I have collected so far, she said, smiling. And what Carla said? She said, I have collected all the happiness in my sack. So this is sack, fine. Everyone was eager to know more, but Carla did not want to show anyone what was in the sack. So everyone was very eager that Carla has done something different. So what is that? Everyone was getting excited. Instead, she pulled out a box and gave it to her teacher. She then took an instant camera out of her own pocket and waited. What she did? She didn't show that sack to anyone. She pulled out a box. She pulled out a box, see this one, and gave it to her teacher. She then took an instant camera and she took out instant camera. Instant camera which gives instantly that pictures. Out of her own pocket and waited. Open it, Miss Alice, she said. The teacher slowly opened the box and looked inside. A big smile shone on her face. At that moment, Carla snapped a photo. So, teacher has seen something in that box and she smiled. And then Carla clicked the picture. So, let's see. A photo popped out of the camera. She gave it to Miss Alice because it was an instant camera. So, the photograph popped out and she gave that photograph to Miss Alice along with a sheet of paper. The hard copy came out. The teacher read it in silence. When she had finished, she pointed to the sack. Oh, so it is. Yes, said Carla. It is a great big chain of smiles. Now see, what was that? Teacher understood that what was that unique assignment. She opened the sack and hundreds of photos fell out. Then teacher opened that sack and so many photographs came out, fell out. All of different smiles, and all faces are of different smiles because different people were there. Different smiles, each one of them beautiful. So smile is always beautiful. You can never say, oh, her smile, his smile is not beautiful. When you are smiling, you always look beautiful. She also showed the open box to the students. Now teacher understood what Carla has done the job amazingly. Like I also used to share the activities in the group, na, then you all come to know what other children are doing. So same way Miss Alice also shown that project to other students who were getting excited what was there in that sack. Everyone now understood how Carla had made such a great big chain. So now everyone understood. Great big chain of happiness. In the box was a photo of a big smile. Everyone who had seen it had also felt happy. So everyone felt happy. When we see smiling faces, so we also feel happy. Without even thinking about it, they had smiled when they saw it. All her classmates were now smiling. Carla took a photo of each one of them. She gave them their own photo along with a sheet of paper. On this sheet, she asked them to do the same with other people and send a copy of the photos to her home address. For months afterwards, Carla's postbox was always full with photos of happy and smiling people. So every time you smile, you are spreading happiness. So whenever you are smiling, the other people who will look at your face, they will also smile at you. So whatever situation is there in our life, what we understood with this chapter, with this little story, this was very amazing. So we should always keep smiling, and we also make try to make others also smile. Okay, so have a good day and a smiling day. God bless you. Children, please do the reading practice nicely. Okay, goodbye and have a smiling day.